Big super the out in Alexandra. So that's a great idea. Oh, if you can tell me what's going on this phase of the road here.
Oh, we're scary off this material because we're mall it over.
Well, some of you viewers and sub, big super the out in Alexandra. Yeah, and we see them a grade down this section of the road here. Just for quite a while, that section of the road here. Remember that feature I tell you say, it cause a lot of inconvenience where vehicle run over the ditch, front end pop off, all different type of inconvenience. Well now, the viewers and sub, as you can see, them have a team come out here with a grader and them a grade it down. And Big Super is out here looking at it and showing what's taking place and what's going on. So, my viewers and sub, them start out at Church Corner, them come at Dumfries and grade down Dumfries, and now them the upper retreat in the community Alexandra, I grade down the road. So stick and stay, people. Time and temperature check. 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, Saturday, August the 5th. And Big Super is out here on the road, looking at the roadway, looking at the road condition and bringing it to you guys. So the grader is up here grading down the road, and I hope by grading down the road that can alleviate some of the problem where the inconvenience or the discomfort where most of the motorists are go through. I hope it can alleviate. All of them issues here, people. And we out on the road and we just take a look. We just take a look on the roadway and the road condition. And it was long in the making. I mean, this section of the road here, how long? You see that, people? You see that? The driver hit one of the piece of thing that with them dig off. So, my viewers and sub, the grader is out here, out in East Prospect, grading down the road. Big Super is out here. And as usual, we don't know if we're going to get anybody to talk to out here to talk about this, what's taking place. But stick and stay, you never can tell. Out on the main road, and we're looking at the roadway, we're looking at the road condition, people, and we're bringing it to our viewers. So the grader is out here, and the grader is out here working. Come on, so them grading down the road, my viewers and stuff. And Big Super. Yeah, hello, hi. So my viewers, you know, one bit up on the road, people are going to stop and call with me and talk with me. Yeah, so that's a great idea. Out this side here. So out in East Prospect, my viewers and subscribers. I see the road are grade down up here in Alexandria. So what them do, them stop the vehicle at one end, so the road now becomes like a one-way. So when one set of traffic go through, so them let in through the opposite set of traffic. So as you can see, them let through one set, grade off that side, and then them let through this set. So my viewers and sub, it's a good look, you know, and it's long in the making. My viewers and sub, we're out here in East Prospect, Alexandria to be exact, right below the bridge. Yeah, alright, bless up. Yeah, man. Alright, my general, one love. So we're there, and the truck man, them up, the taxi man, them up. Everybody know my channel. And me keep St.Thomas informed, and we keep St.Thomas up to date. And let them see and know what's going on out here on the roadway and the road condition. So the road now, upper retreat, Alexandra, to be exact, starting to grade down, which is we welcome that section of the road because when you can't full up the community section, the drivers them will traverse that section and them have a pretty warm time in traversing this section of the road here. Trust me, it's not pretty to come through that section of the road here at daytime. So we welcome the authorities or the road people them who are working on the road. We welcome them to grade down the road, you know, that the vehicle them can drive more safer and thing, and them can traverse more easier. I would say we see a gent come on here. He also have bit of the road. I don't know if we can get a talk with him, hear exactly what's going on. Yeah man. So go on my brethren. Go on. You can give me some update. Yeah. So the viewers and stuff. Big super. Out here. Upper retreat. Alexandra to be exact. The road are grade down. We're on the road. And we're looking at what's taking place here. And we don't know. You can't tell me about this phase of the road here, sir? Yeah. If you can tell me what's going on this phase of the road here.
Oh. Let's carry off this material. We have a mall it over back.
We have a mall it over back?
Yeah, we have a mall it over back and then we pave.
We're not going to pave it after. When are going to do about them gutter over the other side? We have any plan for them?
Yeah man, them are clean them out and I'm supposed to build some wall against it.
Okay. Alright, thank you sir.
Yeah, man.
Which company you guys from?
Smith Asphalt, man, the Great Smith Asphalt.
Oh, Great Smith Asphalt.
Yeah,
okay, people, see it up on the back of his shirt. Alright, blessings here. Yeah man, so work taking place out here, my viewers and subscribers. And Big Super is on the ground. We just talked to one of the workmen them and him say them are go maul it and them are going to do all these things to the road. So the community of Alexandra, I hope within the coming weekend or within the coming weeks you can get some work. Why you not come talk on the mic? Why you not come talk on the mic? Some viewers and sub. Big Super out here on the road, looking at the roadway. We're looking at the road condition and we're here to report to you that upper retreat community of Alexandra work taking place out here on the road, and Big Super is out on the road, my viewers and stuff. So like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, people. Watch out the ads, just do the right thing. You want to talk on the camera? Okay. I know, you can't do nothing about it. I know. What's the front of your vehicle? Oh boy, I tell you. Boy. Some viewers and subscribers, Big Super, peace out.